Do you struggle with ridiculously high blood pressure or hypertension? If you do, stay tuned to learn how to prevent high blood pressure in the morning. Be sure to watch all the way until the end to learn the secret technique that I used to drop my high blood pressure below 120/80ths in just 9 minutes. You don't want to miss this. No doubt, there are a number of treatments and medicines available for the treatment of high blood pressure. But as it is said, precaution is better than cure. So, we must consider this saying and follow the recommended rules in order to prevent high blood pressure in the morning. Your blood pressure is directly proportional to your body weight. It means that if your weight increases, the blood pressure also rises. Overweight people have an increased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and other illnesses. Losing weight reduces the risk. Even if you don't have high or low blood pressure problems due to being overweight, a healthy weight can help you feel active and lower your risk of blood pressure and other diseases. It's not just how much you weigh that's important, it also matters where your body stores extra fat. Just like other hereditary characteristics, your body shape is also inherited from your parents. Some people are apple-shaped. These have extra fat at the waist, while others are pear-shaped, having more fat at their hips and thighs. The former have higher health risks than the later. Anyways, no matter where that extra weight is, you can still reduce it and control your blood pressure. Even if you already suffer from high blood pressure, this is not a problem. Just start losing some weight, and it will automatically help you lower your high blood pressure. To lose weight, you should simply use up more calories than you eat. You need to use up the day's calories and some of the calories stored in your body fat. Eating 300 to 500 fewer calories per day may lead to losing between 1 and 2 pounds per week. This is a realistic weight loss. It may seem slow, but would add up to a weight loss of more than 40 pounds in a year. Increase your physical activity if you really want to lose weight. Being more active affects your weight 10 times more than eating less. Besides the incredible weight loss benefits, there are other reasons to be more active. Being physically active can help lower high blood pressure and your total cholesterol level while raising HDL cholesterol. This is what reduces your risk of heart disease. Physically active people have a much lower risk of having high blood pressure, 20% to 50% lower, than inactive people. We are not saying that in order to prevent high blood pressure, you have to join a gym, but at least try to fit various physical activities into your daily routine in small but important ways, especially since light physical activities done on regular basis can reduce the risk of blood pressure and heart disease. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of exercise like swimming or running daily. If you don't have 30 minutes for exercising, try to find 2 15-minute windows of free time or even 3 10-minute periods. Try to do some type of aerobic activity in the course of a week, or even try brisk walking, most days of the week. These exercises can condition your heart and lungs and can prevent you from having high blood pressure and other diseases. Most people don't need to see a doctor before they start exercising, since a gradual, sensible exercise program has very few health risks. But in case of any health problem like heart disease, a blood pressure problem, or any similar issues, you should first consult your physician. Your doctor or another health worker can help you set sensible goals based on a proper weight for your height, build, and age and help you prevent high blood pressure in the morning. Men and very active women may need up to 2,500 calories daily. Other women and inactive men need only about 2,000 calories daily. A safe plan is to eat 300 to 500 fewer calories a day to lose 1 to 2 pounds a week. One of my favorite foods to eat to prevent high blood pressure in a natural and enjoyable way is dark chocolate. This is not a joke. A study was made by specialists and published in the Journal of the American Heart Association about eating dark chocolate to lower high blood pressure. 1 bar of chocolate is enough to lower your blood pressure in a natural and so enjoyable way. It also helps to naturally improve insulin resistance in your body. It is well known that food rich in flavonols lower high blood pressure. Flavonols are also called natural antioxidants, and other foods that contain these antioxidants are tea and red wine, but for this video, we will focus on dark chocolate. The study was pretty simple. It took place at the University of L'Aquila in Italy. Focused particularly on lowering blood pressure, it wasn't an accidental discovery. There were 20 participants in the study, 10 men and 10 women, all suffering from high blood pressure. None of them took any medications nor followed any treatment for lowering the blood pressure. They also hadn't been suffering from another disease and were not smokers. For the experiment's results to be accurately measurable regarding lowering their high blood pressure, the participants were instructed to avoid dark chocolate for 2 weeks. The experiment began by dividing the group into two. One group ate dark chocolate, and the other ate white chocolate. The amount of chocolate they ate was the same, a 3.5 ounces bar daily for 15 days. The white chocolate was the perfect control food for this high blood pressure study, as it contains all the same ingredients as the dark chocolate, but no flavonoids at all. As expected, a very significant lowering in blood pressure was found in the group that consumed the dark chocolate for 15 days, and no decrease in blood pressure occurred in the group eating white chocolate. Another beneficial side effect of the group that consumed the dark chocolate, besides lowering their high blood pressure, was the reduction in insulin resistance. Also, the bad cholesterol level decreased by 10%. In the group eating only white chocolate, there was no change regarding lowering blood pressure or cholesterol level. They were exactly the same as the beginning of the experiment. But the best natural ways to lower high blood pressure still remains exercise and good diet. None of which can be adequately replaced with eating dark chocolate. But, dark chocolate is still highly recommended, and the occasional eating of a small bar of dark chocolate rich in flavonoids will lower your blood pressure while also being good for your taste buds and helping your heart. Now, since you stayed until the end, there is one more secret technique to lower high blood pressure that will take just 9 minutes to do. You are about to discover exercises so effective that even people who have suffered from life-threatening hypertension for years can bring it down to healthy, as soon as today. Plus, they take very little time, just 9 minutes. Bringing your blood pressure below 120/80 eliminates any need for blood pressure medications, so you'll never have to suffer the horrendous side effects again. Every single brand of blood pressure drug creates serious side effects. The sad fact is, so do the herbal medications. And the cost of buying medicines these days is horrendous. The solution is simple. Try these easy exercises now and naturally drop your blood pressure as soon as today. There are no side effects and no extra medical costs. To learn more and test these exercises for yourself, click the link in the description below, and kiss your high blood pressure goodbye for good.